Looking for the best robot vacuum to keep your home spotless with minimal effort? In today's video, we're diving into the top-rated robot vacuums of 2024, perfect for pet owners, busy households, or anyone who wants a cleaner home without the hassle. From advanced obstacle avoidance to self-emptying docks, these vacuums have it all. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus stands out with its intelligent obstacle avoidance system, making it ideal for pet owners. Thanks to its advanced technology, it can detect objects like cables, socks, and most importantly, pet poop, ensuring your floors stay cleaner and safer. Backed by iRobot's POOP, Pet Owner Official Promise, they'll even replace the J7 Plus if it fails to avoid solid pet waste. With 1,700 pascals of suction power and a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris, this vacuum is a low-maintenance solution for clean floors. While the pet hair pickup on carpet could be stronger, it excels at collecting larger debris like cereal and kitty litter. Plus, its redesigned compact clean base blends well into your home. For a smarter, pet-friendly vacuum, the Roomba J7 Plus is a great choice. Number 4. Shark IQ. The Shark IQ robot vacuum offers a fantastic combination of convenience and performance, especially with its self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days worth of debris. Perfect for those who don't want to empty the bin after every clean. With its 1,780 pascal suction power, it excels at picking up pet hair and debris, particularly on hardwood floors. While it lacks multi-floor mapping, the Shark IQ features advanced dirt detection and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for easy control. Its row cleaning pattern ensures thorough cleaning, though it can be noisy, especially when using the clean base. If you're looking for an efficient, hands-off robot vacuum, this is a solid choice. Number 3. Roborock S7 Max V Ultra. The Roborock S7 Max V Ultra brings powerful cleaning with a high-tech twist. With a remarkable 5,100 pascal suction power and smart features like obstacle avoidance and automatic mop cleaning, it's the ultimate cleaning companion. Its self-emptying dock can store up to 7 weeks worth of dust, while dual water tanks ensure the mop pad stays clean and efficient. The S7 Max V Ultra's AI recognition, while not perfect with pet hair, works wonders on hard floors and rugs. Its ability to lift the mop when on rugs means you can forget about soggy carpets. Yes, the dock is large and the price is steep, but for smart cleaning technology, this powerhouse could be a game changer. Number 2. iLife V3S Pro. Introducing the iLife V3S Pro, the best budget robot vacuum you can get for under $200. With an impressive 97% cleaning performance and a nearly perfect pet hair score of 99.5, this little vacuum punches way above its price range. Its 1,000 pascal suction power ensures your floors stay spotless, especially if you have pets shedding around the house. The V3's Pro is a pro at picking up fur and handling debris on hardwood floors, reaching right up to baseboards. However, it doesn't come with advanced features like app control or smart home compatibility, and it's a bit slow, taking over 90 minutes to clean a room that others finish in 30. But with such fantastic cleaning power at this price, those trade-offs are worth it. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Say hello to the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the smartest and most powerful robot vacuum on the market. With a whopping 2,500 pascals of suction power and a pet hair score of 98, this vacuum is a game changer for deep cleaning both carpets and hard floors. Its advanced mapping technology can memorize multiple floor layouts, letting you label rooms and schedule specific cleanings with ease, all controlled through the app. Plus, it's smart home compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. The self-emptying dock is a huge time saver, only needing to be emptied every 30 days. While it's a little noisy on hardwood floors and weighs in at 8.2 pounds, the Roomba S9 Plus excels in picking up fine debris and pet hair. If you're looking for premium performance and convenience, this is the vacuum for you. That wraps up our list of the best robot vacuums of 2024. Whether you're after powerful suction, smart navigation, or a vacuum that can handle pet hair, there's a perfect option for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to grab yours at the best price. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments which robot vacuum caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.